Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I, Miss Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, earlier we have discussed some topics of chapter 5 and today also we are going to start one new topic of this chapter. Today we will learn that how can we divide the decimal numbers. Now students, let us see one example to understand it. Here I have written 12.4 divided by 8. We have to divide beta 12.4 by 8 and we will start division of decimal as division of whole number. Okay. So now here I have written 12.4 inside the sign of division and here I have written 8. Now let us start beta. In this divisor we have only one digit. So in dividend, from dividend we have to take only one digit. But this digit is 1 and we know 1 is less than 8. So we can take one more digit. Okay. So now let us take here this means 12 and divide it by 8. Now let us take the table of 8 and write here. 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16 and beta 16 is greater than 12. So we have to write 8. So we have to write here 8 and 8 1 jar 8. So we have to write 1 as quotient. Now beta we have to subtract this from 12. 12 minus 8 4. Now after 2 we have decimal point and we need to take care of this decimal point beta. Okay. Now bring down the digit 4, but before 4 we have decimal point. So we have put the decimal point in quotient. Okay. Now bring down 4. Now beta we have 44 and we have to divide 44 by 8. 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 8 3 jar 24, 8 4 jar 32, 8 5 jar 40 and 8 6 jar 48 and 48 is greater than 44. So we have to write 8 5 jar 40. Now we have to divide, we have to subtract 40 from 44. So now 4 minus 0, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Now beta we have remainder 4. Okay. And if there is a remainder then we can put a 0 after this last digit which is after this decimal point and continue our division. So now let us take this 0. Okay. Now we have to write here 8 5 jar 40. Now our remainder will be 0 0. Okay. So here we can see our quotient is equal to 1.55 and our remainder is equal to 0. Now students, let us take one more example. In this we have to divide 104.6 by 4. So now let us divide beta. Now beta here we have only one digit in our divisor. So first of all we have to take only one digit from dividend and here we have only 1. Okay, here we have 1 and 1 is less than 4. So we need to take one more digit. So here if we take next digit, so here we have 10. Now we have to divide 10 by 4. So now let us take the table of 4. 4 1 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 4 3 jar 12 and 4 3 jar 12 beta 12 is greater than 10. So here we have to write 4 2 jar 8. Okay. Now we have to subtract this 8 from 10 and when we subtract 8 from 10 we will get 2. Now bring down 4. Okay. Now we have to divide 24 by 4 and we know 4 6 are 24. So now write here 24. Now we have to subtract 24 from this 24. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now, next digit is 6. But before 6, we have decimal point, beta. So, we need to take care this decimal point also. First of all, we have to put here decimal point. Okay. Now, bring down 6. And now we have to divide 6 by 4. 4 1 jar 4. So here we have to write 1 and here 4. Now we have to subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Now 2 is remainder. So we know beta, here we have a decimal number. So here we can put 0 after this last digit, which is after this decimal point. Okay. And now we can write here 0. Now we have to divide 20 by 4. And we know that is right here beta. Okay. This 20 here. Now we have to divide 20 by 4. 4 5 jar 20. Now we have to subtract this from this. So now we have to write here 0 0. So here 0 is the remainder. Okay. Now this will be the quotient and 0 will be remainder. So 26.15 is quotient and 0 is remainder.